Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm the iPhone responds to taps and you can unlock it. First, try the 3-finger double tap to toggle zoom. This is the fastest fix because accessibility zoom often causes the magnified view. If touch drags don't work, go to settings using Siri or Control Center search. You'll need access to accessibility or display and brightness. Once done, be ready to adjust zoom level, because changing the mode without resetting the scale leaves items off screen. Now you'll change the zoom settings directly. In accessibility, turn zoom off. If the screen is still enlarged, use a 3-finger double tap, then drag with 3 fingers to position the view. When display zoom is the culprit, go to display and brightness, choose view, and set standard instead of zoomed. The phone will restart to apply it. Make sure to confirm after reboot and return to accessibility to ensure zoom remains off, because display zoom resets some layouts and can mask the original problem. Finish by rebooting the phone. A quick restart clears temporary display glitches. If the screen still appears magnified, reset all settings to return display preferences without erasing data. This often fixes stubborn accessibility misconfigurations. As a last resort, back up and restore via Finder or iTunes to remove corrupt settings, or contact Apple support for hardware-related issues. A key tip: if gestures fail, connect an external keyboard or use voice control to open settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.